Hi, I'm Kirsten from Instrument Cluster Store, and I'm here today to talk to you about programming. We often get asked if your replacement cluster needs to be programmed to your vehicle. Well, there's a simple way to find out. Remove your cluster from your dashboard and attempt to start your vehicle. If it starts, no programming is necessary. If it doesn't start, we have an exclusive cloning process where you send us your damaged cluster and we can transfer your mileage, your VIN number, and all other important data onto a replacement. Send it back to you where you plug it in and drive away without the hassle of ever visiting a dealership. And remember, we're always here to help. Call 1-800-590-2716 or visit us online anytime at instrumentclusterstore.com.